Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can open the map management, switch the name rooms, add rooms, remove the rooms in the NARWAL Z10 Freo. So in the first step we have to select the robot in the application, then select any room, click on this icon, and now tap on the map editing. And as you can see, there are a lot of options to edit. If you want to split the rooms, just click on the split and select the room that you want to split. Then by the line, just divide it and click on the accept button to save it. As you can see, we have the third room. If you want to merge rooms, select the merge on the top, then select the rooms that you want to merge and click on the accept button. That's it, we have two rooms for now. Okay, now the rename. If you want to change the names of your rooms, just tap on the room, tap on the customize and select the new name, then click on the yes. We can also add the furniture, like okay, this name rules. So the furniture is here. We can add in the furniture management, we can add the bed, for example the lockers, sofa and other things. We can also add the carpet, the no-go zone and the other things, so you can just easily manage your map by this panel. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.